friends, let's take a look at our math today. We're on lesson 6.4, represent and explain addition equations. So when we finish our lesson today, we will be able to write an equation to show addition. Are you ready? All right, let's take a look at our solve and share.
Daniel counts 4 drums in a parade. Then he sees one more drum. What numbers do you add to find how many drums he sees in all? How can you show the adding?
All right, so Daniel counts 4 drums, and so we're going to use counters to represent drums. So he saw how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he saw one more drum. So I'm going to put one more over here to represent the other drum that he saw. All right? So, what numbers do you need to add to find out how many drums he sees in all? You need to add all of them together. So I'm going to put a circle around them all so that we know that in order to find out how many total, we have to add them all. So first, how many did he first see? 4. And then when he looked again, how many more did he see? 1. So we want to know how many did he see in all. And like we did, we circled it. That means we're counting them all. And then we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many all together? 5. So we had 4 plus 1 more equals or is 5. Great job. Let's continue. Are you ready for our video? Listen carefully.
What joining story can you make up about the 2 groups of drums?
I like to play the drums.
You could say that Daniel saw 4 drums together on the floor. He saw 1 drum off to the side. How many drums did Daniel see in all? Let's find out. How many drums were in the first group? 4. How many drums were in the second group? 1. You can add 1 drum to the 4 drums to find the sum. What is the sum? The sum is 5. So 4 and 1 is 5. What equation shows this addition? Let's find out. What signs can you use in this equation? You can use the plus sign and equal sign. What is the equation? Four plus 1 equals 5. What does 4 plus 1 equals 5 mean? It means 4 drums plus 1 drum equals 5 drums altogether. 4 and 1 is 5. You have learned how to add 2 groups to find the sum and write the plus sign and equal sign to show adding.
Great job, boys and girls. So that's what we're going to do. We're joining 2 groups, and now we're going to use the special signs. We're going to use the adding sign, and we're going to use the equal sign to find the sum, to find the answer. Okay, so let's take a look at our guided practice. Let me get my pencil out here. We have 2 drums, so I'm going to trace the 2. And that looks more like a Z. Let's fix that. All right. There, that's better. Okay, so we have 2 drums and how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more. So first we, 6, okay? So first we had 2, and then we saw 6 more. So we wanted to add those together, join them. There's the sign for joining, the addition sign. So what do we need to do? We need to circle them. That reminds us that we need to count them all. And we want to know how many drums all together, so we're going to use that equal sign. And then what we need to do is count how many all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to make an 8 here. And to read this equation, you would say 2 plus 6 equals 8. Wonderful. Now let's take a look over here at number 2. We're counting some more drums. First we had how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We had 4 in our group. All right, so I'm going to make a 4. And then we saw how many more? 1. Okay. All right. And we want to know how many we have all together. So we're going to join groups. When we do that, we put the plus sign. That means we're joining groups. So we can't forget to circle because that tells us we need to count everything. All right, how many all together? So we want to know how many all together. So we wanted to put that equal sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we're going to make a 5 here. So our equation is 4 plus 1 equals 5. Oops, we're going to take a, can I go back the wrong way? Yep. We'll head back this way. And then we're going to just do the same thing, boys and girls. You're going to count how many flutes here. 1, 2. We're going to put it, oops, I'm going to grab my pencil again. 2. And again, when we're adding, okay, another group, we're going to put a plus. Okay. How many more? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. We're going to put a 4 here. And now we want to know how many all together. Okay. So that's that equals. And we're going to circle them. And then we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. How would we read this equation with these symbols? 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, then you're going to do this one. We're going to do this one together, and I think I'm going to let you guys do the rest of them, okay? So how many guitars here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. And then we're going to add, we saw some more, so we're going to see how many more we have. 1, 2, 3, 4 in this group, okay? So we have 4 in that first group and 4 in the second group. And we want to add them together, okay? So then I'm going to circle this, and then I'm going to put addition sign there, and then I'm going to circle the group, and now I'm going to count because I want to know how many I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. I'm going to make an 8 here. So I have 4 plus 4 equals 8. Wonderful. You're going to do the same things with the trumpets. Okay, you're going to count this group, join them together. Same with number 6. You're going to count this group, and then join them all together. Let's take a look at your independent. Independent practice, you're doing the same thing. Here you're counting trumpets. Here you're counting and adding drums, and here you're counting and adding flutes. Okay, 2 groups of flutes. Here you are going to do something a little bit different. So I'm just going to help you a little bit with this one. Okay. Let's see. There are some counters on this page. Emily puts 3 more. Okay. So she puts 3 counters on this page. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and her total counters equals 7. Okay, so all together equals 7. So this is 3. What plus 3 equals 7? So you have to figure out that number and put that here. All right. So we know how many counters she had in this group. All right. When you're done, I want you to send me a page of your independent practice and your guided practice. So this sheet. And then I can see your wonderful work. All right, boys and girls. Wonderful. If you have any questions, make sure you message me, have mom text me, or just call the school and I will help you out. All right, boys and girls, enjoy, and I can't wait to see your addition page.